Welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the 2026 Honda XR200, a lightweight trail machine built for riders who want simplicity, reliability, and endless off-road fun. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned adventurer, the XR200 promises excitement on every ride. Rugged design and practical build. The 2026 XR200 stays true to Honda's classic trail bike DNA. Its rugged bodywork, tall fender, and sturdy frame give it the look and feel of a true off-road machine. Minimalist yet functional, the design keeps weight low and durability high, perfect for exploring dirt trails, forest paths, or farm roads. Engine and performance. At its core is a reliable 200 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine tuned for smooth throttle response and manageable power delivery. It's not about insane speed, it's about usable torque where it counts most. The XR200's engine pulls confidently through low-speed technical terrain and offers just enough pep for light highway stretches. Chassis and handling. Honda's lightweight frame and balanced geometry make the XR200 easy to maneuver. Its long travel suspension absorbs bumps, rocks, and roots with confidence, keeping the ride smooth and controlled. Whether you're navigating twisty trails or tackling small jumps, the bike feels stable and predictable. Comfort and ergonomics. The XR200 seating position is neutral and comfortable, with wide handlebars and a forgiving seat that make long rides enjoyable. Its compact size gives riders of all skill levels better control and confidence, especially in tight or technical terrain. Simplicity and reliability. Part of the XR200's charm is its simplicity. With fewer electronics and a straightforward setup, it's easy to maintain and repair. This bike thrives on hard use, and its low-maintenance nature ensures you spend more time riding and less time wrenching. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda XR200 is a fun, dependable, and endlessly capable trail bike. With its balanced performance, rugged build,